Good morning and welcome to another Fun Friday video from 303 Tech. I'm Clint Larson. Hey, today I'd like to talk about how to keep yourself protected on the internet and email and all that kind of stuff. One of the things that people don't seem to realize is passwords are a pain in the butt. Well, maybe you did. Anyway, I know it's really hard to say, okay, I need to come up with 50 different passwords for 50 different accounts, and oh my gosh, how can I do this? But it's really important. Because if one of your passwords gets compromised for one particular reason, or if your password gets compromised, it doesn't take very long for them to start looking through your Facebook account, your LinkedIn account, and your Amazon account, and your PayPal account, and your Instagram account, and all these accounts, because if you're using the same or similar passwords, then it becomes really easy to compromise other accounts, and then all of a sudden you have a real mess on your hands. And so one of the things that I've come up with that really kind of helps is to come up with like either a passphrase or a sentence or something that is similar but enough different that people can't guess what it is. And did you know that you can actually do a complete sentence inside of a password, 8 to 16 characters, 24 characters, whatever it is, because you can actually use the space bar as one of the characters. Go figure. So come up with a sentence that you know you can use for this particular account or that particular account, or I love my money, or work is awesome, or whatever it is, and then just add in a couple characters like an exclamation point, a pound sign, a percent sign, something else that makes it unique, challenging, and easy for you to remember, but hard for people to guess or hard for people to crack. So just one of those things. Just change up the passwords, make it easy, simple, and if you do need to write them down like I do, find some place that is secure, that is encrypted, that then you have a totally different password or passphrase that is a part of that, so that when you do need to access your stuff, like accounts that you only access once every year or every 6 months, then you have some place to reference to that is secure, and people can't get in. Even if you forget your password, then you can't get in. So anyway, just some quick tips on how to keep your stuff safe. Please do not ever use the same password for more than one account. So anyway, you guys have a wonderful weekend. Thank you.